Take me out the water. It's getting too shallow down here. Please, please take me out and let me see the light. Let me see the light at the end of that tunnel. What to do, what to do. Just tell me what to do. Tell me what to say, I don't know. Did I mention that I'm actually in a cave right now? I don't know if you guys can actually hear me. Welcome to another short but sweet and sour stream. What's going on, man? It's all good, Mark. I appreciate you coming in to the stream. Hope everything is well with you, brother. Maddie, what's good? Good to see you again. You haven't been here for a while. I missed you, brother. No, I keep it PG. Although I did kind of slip up on the other stream and I said the S word and then the AH word. Mark, I appreciate it. Blue 5 is in the house too. And good to see you guys. Yeah, how's everyone doing? And is my mic good? Does it sound like I'm in a cave, echoing through? I kind of want to like have a little reverb effect, you know? Yeah, I said shit, and I said at-hole. I said those two words. Yeah, I said shares. Yeah, I said shares and options. No, I said shares and after hours. S word and the AH word. But anyways, let's just get this out of the way. Welcome to another stream here with yours truly, Lineable Trades. Just remember that anything that's being said here is strictly in our opinion, and when I mean our opinion, that's you guys included, and anything that's being said in the chat. We're here to brainstorm, speculate, and just figure out what the heck is going on with GTII and a few other tickers. Now, even though we have been trading in a range, it kind of looks a bit weak in my honest opinion. I don't know about you. We did close below 2.10%. So not quite what we expected. I did want to see GTII to climb right into this bubble and perhaps see more volume to the upside, but it seems like that wasn't the case, and I know that perhaps the market, the way it was trading, we did end up in the red. So maybe that had something to do with it. I can't say, but had to find out if this was safe for kids. Yes, it's safe for kids, man. I'm not gonna be out here bashing someone and reacting to someone's comments, you know, like I'm just chill, you know, I'm not all about that mess, that BS, and yeah, Matt, your kids are safe with me. They will learn better with me than William. You also want a gerbil. You also want a gerbil to crawl into your bubble. That kind of reminds me of South Park. I forgot the name of it, but they had that gerbil in a tube, and then they answered it in that type of hole. But I don't want to say what hole it is. You figure it out. But anywho, not to get distracted by his gerbil comment. This could go two ways, and now that you see here, and this is the 4-hour chart, that these two candles have given us a neutral bar, or lemmy wings. Yes, there it goes, lemmy wings. Oh my God, I can't believe I actually remember that. But the way this is looking right now, and I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to play one side. I don't want to play just one bias. We all have to be realistic here, just in case things go down south, and all of a sudden, like, we start to reject. Even though it wouldn't make sense to me, because, you know, we're still really oversold on the RSI territory, like literally on like 29. And the MACD is still consistently green, but it has to continue to the upside in order to see GTII continue that trajectory back up to that zone here at 22 cents, 23 cents, and break over that. But let me just, if I go to the 4-hour, let's just look at this quick. Because we are, like, those two candles are below the 9-day moving average exponentially. So I don't want to see that we can move back to 20 cents and retest the support. But shoot, like, it's still good in the ways that, you know, just like Blue 5 said, you know, like GTII is cheap, and, you know, now he's been loading it into the garage. Not finished the device, but that's what Blue 5 is doing. And, you know, it's not such a bad idea at all. And pretty good position. Really having in it can make a huge difference. It's just a matter of time. And if we're ever gonna get to see that press release or whatever catalyst soon. Where's Zoe? Where's Zoe? You probably meant to say Zelly. Yeah, she's probably still sleeping. So yeah, she's in dreamland somewhere. It's all good though. I'll tell her that you are asking for her, so. Let me just take this off. I need some music. She dumped you because she caught you cheating on her with the gerbil. Dear God. Oh my God. Maddie. Maddie. You're so dirty. It wasn't me. In the bathroom door. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. All the times I in the bathroom key. Man, when did that song come out? Like 25 years ago? Maybe 20 years ago? Dude, I think I was in middle school or maybe just going into high school. I don't know. I can't remember. Man. It was a long time. Can you guys hear me all right? Because I had to switch and take out the the cave effects. And trying to play some music. Gotta get some music going on here. Need some tracks. I gotta make new tracks too. So hopefully by this weekend I can be able to release some tracks and then put it into my music YouTube channel that I've been getting back into. But you know, me dirty, you're the one doing the gerbil. The fudge. You're the one that brought it up. That's your fetish. Anyway. How's that? Hopefully that's not overtaking the voice. Okay. Like that maybe. Love bug. A love bug. Ay. Anyway, so I mean, now that I think about it, it's you know you're mentioning about putting this in the Roth, and that's quite interesting. You know, I'm very sure other people are like doing that as well. I am not gonna say the F word. Rolling a joint, beautiful. This is the track to do it to, you know. What kind are you smoking? You smoking that sour? That them cookies? So here's what I wanted to show you guys. So on the hourly is giving me those bearish vibes. And you know what, bro, like I was just about to say blueberry and then I said cookies instead, but I love blueberry. I love anything blueberry, especially if it has to do with that. No, I'm not gonna say that, dude. I'm not gonna say it, dude. I'm trying not to get shadow banned. Mother. That's the best that I can do. So, come on. I'm trying to focus here. And you probably got like 5 more minutes. So you have to go do your thing. And watch your Pornhub or something. So here we go. We'll get a little closer here and look at the 9-day and the 21-day moving average exponential, and it gives me those vibes like they're having an entanglement with each other. And if this comes to fruition, and the next candle starts to come right below that, well, fuck off. Fuck you. Oh shit, did I actually? Damn. Damn it, Matt. You see what you made me do? Now I gotta go and edit that out when I'm finished streaming. Oh yeah, that's the one I watch actually. I've been watching that for years. As a matter of fact, I watched that 2 days ago. Joking. So if the next candle proceeds to fall right below this one and under the 9 and then 21 day moving average exponential, we could be retesting 20 cents once more, and perhaps we can try to bounce off support and, you know, and stay there and trade in that range for a while. But if not, you know, and if, like, let's say the market conditions doesn't favor GTII in a way, then, you know, what if this does make new lows? So I'm just here thinking to myself, well, what are the odds? Because now that I look at the hourly and now that I look at the MACD, it looks like it wants to attempt to cross under and flip to the red, and from there pull back and retest new lows to maybe reach 15 cents, 17 cents, around that area, around this bubble pretty much. That's where I have this bubble here, and I did this yesterday so that we can get a better idea of what's happening. And you know, if that's the case, then shoot, I mean, what else could we do? I mean, because the obvious thing that, you know, us retail would ever do in non-financial advice is, you know, buy more, because this is theoretically a huge fire sale, in my opinion. Not financial advice. And I'm pretty sure Blue 5 could agree with me too as well, and Mark, if you're listening in. But don't respond because I know you're driving, so that's the bearish case scenario. I mean, and on top of that, like, the SPY, you know, had sold off from previous high of 487 and change, and closed off around what was it? Let me look. SPY had closed at 485.39, but we were at a high of 488.77. So a lot of people were thinking, hey, maybe this will reach new all-time highs again and hit 490, but nope. This thing got absolutely wrecked back down to yesterday's lows, right through this area of support. It broke right through the box. Let's just say the box right underneath, and it's gonna range from here. Maybe it'll try to, you know, maybe it'll try to run back up and retest this 200 at 486.70, and then until GDP comes out at 8:30 in the morning tomorrow, which I think, I'm not mistaken, then we could see where the direction heads to. So, but anyways, that's a little info there for you guys and gals. Is that all we can do is just build up in the primary and start a Roth also. I feel this is the counterplay. GTII and FNGR are immune to home market movements. It's going to defy gravity when shit hit the fan. And that's the idea. That's the idea, to actually use these type of stocks as some sort of a hedge against what's going on with the market. Matt K in the house. You got Matty and Matt K, the Matt boys, the Matt brothers. What's going on, bro? How you doing? How you doing, man? Random question, Matt K. Are you still in GTII? Or Finger? Any of those two plays? You don't have to reveal your position, but you know. Because I know you've been in the game for a while too as well. Since a year and change. Oh, okay, nice. Have you still been low-key loading up at these prices? Because this is some crack prices here. Some fire sale. On top of that, like this could potentially, but not quite in speculation, it could either retest 20 cents or break that support and head to new lows. Or we can pretty much get a double bottom and then try to see something happen from here. So I'm gonna actually move this right over here in this space, and then we'll see if this actually either goes down or it goes right back up. No, I should average down GTI, but been messing with Mullen too much. Have you been like loading on shares heavily, or have you been just swinging Mullen up and down? Because Mullen is getting beat down from 14 and change. Now it's like at what, $6-7. Let's just check right here. Yeah, 661. Mullen feel betrayed, sold forever ago. I remember swinging Mullen before the first reverse split, when it came down to like 18 cents and change, and then it ran up to like 30s. And then I got out, and then when I heard about the news, I was like, nope. I had to leave. I was like, no, that is not what we wanted. But yeah, just looking at the chart right now, that's a heavy attack from 725, and we even hit 636 on the high, and it started to gradually pick up again. But oh yeah, vocal or created, whatever it used to be. I don't even pay attention to that stock anymore, honestly. I completely just forgot about it and just let it go. I was like, nah. Yeah, you know what? And that's the thing, because they know, like, if we constantly talk about a certain stock almost every day, I mean, quite, you know, the contrary too. When you see a lot of these AMC YouTubers as well, like, and GME as well, it's like the most popular stock trending in YouTube, and there's just so many of them covering it and everything like that. So it's like, you know, it's like they just know what our move is gonna be, which is just, you know, just speculating here. It's being hypothetical, but you know, what if they're actually listening and they're knowing every move that we're making? So that's why, like, imagine if we didn't have to make these streams or make these videos and give people updates, which I'm sure those on the other side would probably check it out and listen to those updates, and then know our moves, the next moves, and take advantage of it. Because obviously, for example, you see AMC and GME being so freaking manipulated, and just the fact that it has so many chances of it to break out, there's always some way for them to, you know, do what they do. And I'm not even gonna mention it because I'm just tired of mentioning it in general. It sucks, you know? It sucks that, you know, we have to actually go through that and see our stocks like getting attacked like that in such a way. But here, you know, for example, like your AMC right on the hourly, like these random spikes, and then all of a sudden the drop back down, literally erasing all those gains, happening twice. This kind of did it too as well, right over here, and then it just completely like broke below 430 and hit right back. Look, it hit right back down in that area, that range. I tested support at 4. What was this on the wick? 411, 410. Didn't I just? I could have sworn I said that yesterday. I must be tripping. I might have said that yesterday. I don't know. But the fact that the hourly, it's starting to look like a bear flag, and it looks like it could retest those lows around 405, and maybe they pray for a miracle that we get a double bottom right here. So pretty much like if I draw a little bubble here and then another thing right here, maybe we can see some sort of a pattern that does that. And just you know, take just reversal, you know, pretty much like, and then retest those highs again. I gotta move this over here. Let me read the comments. All right, Matt K says the play to be in is anything we haven't talked about yet. Once we're talking about it, it's already too late. They're using retail and social media against us. I'm in Mullen because the actual company is kicking ass with their orders and products they're turning out. Finally, they did some bullshit vaporware for a while when they were super popular. And that's something that I touched on yesterday. For example, I know like somebody was talking about DWAC, but to be honest, like even though the whole news with Trump being endorsed by Vivek and DeSantis, I mean pretty much two big names, you know, that made it to be like a small catalyst for DWAC, and this thing just really popped from 1687 all the way to $62 on the dot. And even though he did win New Hampshire, that was kind of like not really much of a big deal. But the fact that the charts were actually looking to cross back under, pretty much like, you know, hit peak and then start pulling back again, which is what actually happened, and that we would actually see the sell-off happen and people take profits and yada 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 until we reach these levels back here at probably $25 again. So I mean, that was expected, you know. Eventually a lot of people were content about this area here, and they decided to just take profits. Just my opinion, but I'm pretty sure y'all can agree with me. So what are y'all spamming in chat? Lou on your mama? Oh my god. Maddie, please. And you'll never hurt me again. Let's see. Blue 5 says physical gold and silver, the doomsday move. Absolutely agree. Absolutely agree. Precious metals is the way. Oh no, wait. I think he said, and you'll never mistreat me again. but regardless in that, you know, just by looking at AMC right there in the hourly, we are probably gonna see that retest. We're probably gonna see some action happening there. I see that bear flag take place, drop below some more, and then probably hit a reversal. Hit that. Like calling Beetlejuice. Oh my god. X-Force. XRP, XDC, XLM, even H-bar. Everybody's just like paying attention to other coins like Pepe and thinking that Bitcoin is just gonna actually peak again at 60, 80k, 100. That's actually not going anywhere above 50k. I even said it. Like ever since like they were talking about the whole ETF thing, I'm like, bruh, you know, all those big hedge funds and all those big companies or whatever, once they get their hands on it, you know how much control they're gonna have, how much like they can do with that and do whatever various things allegedly, supposedly, like they do behind the scenes and start like tanking Bitcoin, and all of a sudden within the next month you see Bitcoin at 15k again. And you heard this from me right now today, 8:39 p.m. January 24th. If that actually happens next month, come back to this video and be like, oh my god, yo, Lion just said this. He has a crystal ball. Oh my god, he's a genius. No, I'm not gonna do that. Man, ban blue. Ban blue because you like blue. Hey, I like blue too. What you gonna do? And you'll never mistreat me again. What's up, motherfuckers? Oh my god. Let's see. This could turn around. This could do the the double do. Well, on the 30 minute, yeah, this could do a little, yeah, I think this could definitely do that. It'll drop a little down, retest 405, maybe $4. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Let's see what's up with GME. Yikes. GME, what did you do to me? Like for real. Look, even GME wants to do a double bottom. It's like AMC. It's like it's kind of sort of following the same, you know, algorithm. Kind of sort of. Yeah, it did that. So I guess double bottom. Retest 14. Can we see this explode by Friday to back to 15? Because that would be really nice right now. One step, two step, 1, 2, 3. So maybe you can see this back here, and then maybe. Yeah, something like that. Where are the people I want to mute at? Well, I mean, you have to pretty much share the stream on Twitter. You want people to come in here and start, you know, saying, "Oh, what is this?" and cursing at you, Matt, and then you have the opportunity to time them out. You call me loin. What's your chart reading? Oh, say about GDC. GDC is actually bouncing back too. This is a 30. Huh. Yeah, you can see it right there. It hit 2 bounces, you know, with the 9-day moving average exponential. But like, you know, as long as it keeps rejecting the 50-day, like it's gonna continue moving back more. Like, so it's like, let me see if I go to the 4 hours. Let's check the 4 hour, because we always gotta look at different time frames. What is this? This is weird here. I don't know what this is all about, but it did print a big green candle from this bounce, and then here they have a wick going down. So I don't know if it's gonna stay in that range. So it might stay in there. It might stay between, you know, 180 and 185. Nah, between 180 and 190. It'll probably stay in that range unless we get that MACD crossover and flip to the green. You can see right here. Again, remember, anything I say, take it with a grain of salt, all right? Because stock market is unpredictable as usual. But yeah, right here. So it can either do a little double bottom and then cross over the MACD and flip to the green once more and try to retest $2, because $2 has been a heavy support and resistance level for some time, as you can see right here. Back then, since last Tuesday. Wait, hold on. That's yeah, since last Tuesday, just trading in that range, and then fall right under here, and so now it's your support. So it has to like try to break eventually over to. Not financial advice, not financial advice, not financial advice, not financial advice, blah, 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 blah. Right? So that's that. Let me check the 5-minute. I wish I had some like badass technical like studies. Maybe it can make my life a little easier and explain this a lot better. All right. Yeah. So yeah, you got this range here. Get out of the way. Oh my god. So this range in particular, educational purposes only. All right, guys. Educational purposes only. So we need to stay within that range, and then let's check the daily. I want to see the daily. Blah blah blah. I always wonder about this. Like, does this make sense? Like, what the hell? What was this? Because I want to know the future of GTC2 as well. And I know for a damn sure that this is way oversold. Look at that. Look at the RSI here. It wants to bounce back. It really does. Right here. Can you read us a 300-page prospectus in one stream? For what stock? GTC? It's prospectus story time. So even GDC is at a bottom. Look, all the stocks that I've mentioned here on the list, it's literally like, well, except for Fun and BWAC, that don't count. But you know, they're all on the bottom, on the daily, on the high time frames. I mean, look at that. Got GDC. Let's look at it from the weekly chart. Dude, you know I haven't even read a prospectus in my life to even know about that stuff. How about you come and read me a story, Daddy? And tell me what perspective is. Prospectus. I can't even say that word. Jesus. But no, ask William for a ticker. He always has a report to read. Dude, that's so old school, man. I have everything on the computer. You can just search it. Oh my gosh, what is going on? GDC. Okay, so I don't want to be bearish on this for real. Blue 5. I don't know. Maybe you're holding a bigger position too as well on GDC, maybe. But look how many times it's bounced. Throughout this whole year, pretty much, you hit like ups and downs. This big run. I don't know where this happened. The week of the 1st of May of last year. I didn't even know this happened. From $4 to $44. Were you in that little squeeze there, Blue 5? When people. William and Ham are like two angry men on the Muppets. Oh shit. Oh, I know who you're talking about. They're the two old men in the Muppets. Talk about the white male on their side. Oh gosh. So even on the weekly for GDC, it feels to me that it still has some room to come down until it's completely oversold. So maybe we're just waiting on that, and perhaps we see this come down a lot more and probably hit new lows. Imagine we hit $1.25 on GDC by the end of this week. Not financial advice, it's just speculation. I don't know. Anything is possible, but as long as the other time frames are showing different, like I just think for now we're just gonna be trading on this range for a bit. And I don't know if GDC has news going on. I don't think there's anything recent for GDC. They're calling GDC a loser. The company's market cap stands at $11.1 million. So that's actually pretty small. I low key thought, excuse me. I thought that GDC was a OTC stock at first when I first heard about it, and then I think I heard I don't know if I heard William talk about it, or probably I don't know if it was probably Ham. But yeah, dude, imagine that it actually hits $40 again, like last May. I mean, if not that price, maybe a little lower. But like maybe $10. GDC Ham said his buddy's buying 2 million shares. I mean, is he just saying that to like? I mean. To be honest, all right, can I be honest with you guys? I don't know where all of this went wrong. Like, all I'm trying to find out is why we've just literally ventured off, branched out to all these different tickers, knowing the fact that we've been on one or two tickers that we've been trying to put out there, that we have Ham and William and all these people here, and people sending out trucks every single day in front of the SEC or whatever, and fighting for the cause that that we're trying to burn these sneaker shorts. And what happened? Like what was the deal? What was the deal? I don't get it. Because quite frankly, if this was if it was supposed to be like a whole movement, and let's just say, well, gaining attraction from other people and looking at what's happening, or what's happened with GTII, and people were just getting more interested in it. Not to say that trying to pump the stock, but this is something that people have gone into for about 2 years, and it's like now you got all these tickers that sorry to say, but William is here mentioning about Logic, CAUD, DC, I don't know, all these other tickers, and it's like we strayed away from the main tickers. So now everybody's just spread around, they put their eggs in all these different baskets, and then all the odds are now like it's kind of off, because now you don't know if any of these tickers that they're mentioning now is actually gonna pop like they say it's gonna pop or whatever. But the fact of the matter is, I don't know what happened. I don't know why we branched out to all these other tickers when GTII and FNGR was supposed to be like the big deal, right? So with that being said, with more and more people, sort of like the whole event with GME and the whole debacle and how that came about, and how all this information was being spread, and eventually all the retail investors started picking up on it, and then all of a sudden now you have all this bunch of volume coming in, and then you had the big squeeze from 8 and change, 3 and I don't know where it was during pandemic levels for GME, but that's just a big example of how it started. And of course, Ham was pretty much the one that called out GME. I don't know if it was months prior when it happened, but it's like, what wasn't the whole point in trying to burn these people on the other side? I'm not gonna mention their names, but and pretty much like get a win and then move on. Either move on or probably support the company, and what they're trying to do, of course, but it's Hunger Games. May the odds be in our favor. Maddie says, people want to diversify and everyone wants to spread their tickers. 5, I think I am pretty diversified for the squeeze plays. Maddie says, then you have William allowing people to keep diverting conversations. Ask Ham about. Yeah, and ask Ham about JZYL. Ask Ham about Logic. Ask Ham about when we're just literally straying away from the actual the whole purpose of this whole thing. The origin of where all this started, like the original tickers. When back then, last year, we actually called GTII FNGR the next AMC and GME. Remember that? or it was HKD and MEGL 2.0. Like that's what we used to say about GTII and FNGR back then. And you know, like, and that's what, you know, that's what made people diverted their attention and going into all these other tickers that people are talking about. And I don't want to point fingers, but you know who I'm talking about, and I know you're all mentioning it on chat. But it's kind of their fault. And now we have to deal with this, you know, and we got to deal with the fact that this thing keeps coming down, and we don't know when the next press release is going to happen, and we don't know when the next event is going to take place, or the catalyst for GTII or FNGR. And you know, just like, when is the next big move? When is the next big catalyst? We're here waiting, you know, like we're literally just trying to find out when is the next big deal, like for real. Oh, don't get me started with David. Oh my god. Because now you have all these people too, like becoming shills and talking crap about GTII and what it's actually gonna do instead. But look, even here, look, the weekly for GTII is super oversold. It's so oversold. It's not even a joke anymore. Like we should be at the cusp of seeing GTII finally do its pop. Or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Mom? This is some bullshit. This pissed me off. For real. You know, and it's just mind blowing. It's just mind blowing how this is just all like taking place, like for real. Like for real, man. I have no idea. But I think that's enough of me ranting. And I don't know. For some reason today, I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. You know? But like, what's the next move? Like, what are we gonna do? Are we actually gonna start making the move? So I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? What's your opinion about GTII? Where do you think this could be headed? I want to get the tweezers to feel you squirm when I you know what, I'm not even gonna say it because, you know, I don't know. I'm spicy today though, for real. I'm real spicy. That's the next move, Blue. When I eventually like get something out of this, I'm gonna you know, because I do have my I don't know what the name of that cold storage wallet I have, but I have it, and I'm ready to store these coins in there. I'm ready to, you know, I'm ready to get loaded on that. And of course some ETFs here and there. Wow. God wants to do not nice things to me. Yeah. I'm just like, oh God. Somebody better calm me down, I swear. Anyway, that's just my take on it. I don't even know if I'm gonna stream any longer. I was gonna do a little short stream here. Damn shame. Oh, gosh, are you guys into any oil stock plays too as well? Because I've been tracking IMPP for the longest here, and just look at this setup. This setup is wild. Bro, I really think IMPP is gonna have its second round. This is the daily, like this setup here, and look how long it's been taking. So we got here at 118 back in August 18 of last year. Had a little uptrend there, peak at 195, came back down to like 144, and then ever since we just been on a cruising, like it's been just cruising up, and the trend has been stronger than ever, like for real. Look at this. I tell you, I've been saying this, like this is eventually gonna be round 2, where as crude oil reaches new highs, probably go past yeah, look at this. Crude oil literally went back to those resistance levels. Literally a triple bottom, and now we're climbing back up and trying to hit 76. I'm not gonna get into the situation of you know what's happening with the Red Sea. I'm pretty sure y'all know already. We already hit a golden cross here in the 4 hour, so we are still trending bullish, and we can see this start ripping up and past 76.50 per barrel. So like I said, that if that's happening, you already know what else is going to be going off, and I say IMPP is the PIMP, and I'm gonna continue watching this closer, because this is actually reaching, it's really low key, it's non-stop, and I don't know where it's gonna stop or where it's gonna peak out. Love you, Maddie. Thank you for for spending time with me. I appreciate you. I'm gonna get off in a bit. Hourly here. We could turn around, pull back just a little bit. The hourly we could probably pull back to like 350 and try to either see the same thing that happened here. Look, I'm gonna circle it right here, right there. Kind of like pulled back down a little bit and then pop back. If it's happening again, let's see here, maybe 340, 350, and then just pop right back over. Everybody loves to mess with me, right? Just mess with Lion, because it's fun. But anyways, yeah. Looks good overall. In general, it looks good. Let's see what else here. All right, 15 minute chart here. We're kind of just holding strong now. So this could potentially be just me see, like a ascending triangle sort of pattern, and then a breakout again. So we want to see 380, 385. How long have I been doing? Okay, so it's an hour. It's an hour, guys. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't gonna go too deep into it. I just wanted to like show you the updates and everything. Yeah, I'm just like right now, I don't know, fucking feel nauseous right now. Yeah, I just gotta like take a break. We only got 2 more days until the trading week is over. DWAC. This could definitely fall back to $30. Probably see a bounce back from there. $30. Bearish scenario. My financial advice. Cause we already crossing. We have a def cross here on the 15-minute. So it has to pull back a lot more, and then reach these levels again. And see if we start, heading back up to those previous resistance levels. That's for DWAC. I love you, Maddie. I love you. Matt K, you the man. Blue 5. Appreciate you, bro. For real. Mark, if you're still listening there, man. Appreciate it too as well. CJYL. Really quick. Could reject the MACD and pull back and see this fall right back to 150. Maybe when this week is over. Alright, yeah, man, I'm out this. That's all I got for now. We just gotta see what happens tomorrow. So pray for green for GTII and finger. And yeah, man. But I appreciate y'all joining me real quick for this little short stream. So man, thank you, Blue 5, Maddie, Matt K, Mark R. It's been real, man. Appreciate you all. And thank you for hitting the like. Appreciate the love. Y'all already know how it is, man. Y'all take it easy. Y'all be safe. Blue 5, enjoy that blueberry. And have a great night. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Deuces. Big hearts, y'all. Big hearts.